The Keck Institute for Space Studies was established at Caltech in 2008 with a $24 million grant from the W.M. Keck Foundation. We're a think and do tank, and our primary purpose is to develop new planetary, astrophysics, and Earth space mission concepts and technology. We start by selecting studies that concentrate on ideas that have the possibility for revolutionary advances in space mission capability. We then bring together the best expertise from Caltech, JPL, and the wider scientific and technical community. We convene studies here at the Institute in Pasadena, California, where we provide an informal, creative environment that allows participants to conduct in-depth technical studies while forging lasting relationships. Once a key innovation for new mission or instrument concepts are identified, the Institute may then fund the initial steps towards making progress on that key innovation. Our study format is simple: a few formal talks and lots of informal, collaborative interaction over an extended period of time.
We came here and we had a specific goal. We had a homework that we had to work on. It was not a meeting where you come and just simply talk about all this great stuff you've done and then you don't pay much attention to what everybody else talks when it's their time to talk. I mean, we were here to actually work on a problem, find a solution to the problem, and that was done by the collaborative, constant interaction between all the participants.
The whole point is to bring together people from different disciplines, people who have contrary ideas and things like that, to try to hash out new arguments and new ways of proceeding.
Our environment is informal, creative, and fun. We provide various opportunities for social and technical interaction to help build the lasting relationships necessary to propel the work forward.
Not all about the work, or it's not all about engaging with each other in a formal setting, but over dinner at the Athenaeum, or over a drink or over coffee. Those sorts of interactions are important.
Bonded us a lot more than any other conference or workshop has done so far, and we actually started working together and started new collaborations, and I think that's just amazing.
We gradually got to know each other a bit better. The Caltech and the JPL collaborators, we have a common interest, but we've actually never met in many cases. And the fact that we got together every week, I think it created a certain spirit, common spirit. We're all working together towards a common goal, even though the goal isn't completely clear yet.
Our study group is small and diverse. We aim for about 24 participants from various backgrounds. We bring people together who may not otherwise have interacted with each other.
It's been a spectacular group of people across many different fields. A lot of junior people as well as senior people. People have come together with sort of a common interest with many different backgrounds, and it's been fantastic.
Also, it was a good chance to meet a number of the bright young people that I heard about but hadn't met, and get to talk to them and find out what they're thinking. And
just the size of the group makes it the kind of environment that everyone's comfortable, and it's a lot easier to say, hey, what about this? What about that? What about this?
This community of people would not have come together. So there are people working on things that are very large and very small, and we would have each gone to our own conferences. And so the idea of being here with everyone who has an expertise in something very different with a common theme really brings something new that I've not actually ever seen before. And it worked better than I expected.
The Keck Institute for Space Studies, jump-starting tomorrow's space missions today.